Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit view only file in Google Sheets mobile. So all you have to do is open your Google Sheets on your phone. So try to search the view only document. This is for example. So all you have to do, you cannot, but before that you cannot edit file with the view only, but you can make a copy here. Tap make a copy, and then you can rename. As you see, you can rename by yourself by typing in document title, and you can choose the folder and tap OK. So the file will be copying, so you can edit this file. As you can see here, you can type, you can delete this file, you can fully edit these sheets. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.